Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be showing you my subscription boxes. I have three before me. One is GlossyBox, one is Boxy Charm, and one is Ipsy. So let's start with the Boxy Charm. And this is what is in it for this month. Let's get it open. As you can see, it's cosmetic, which goes for $24, full size. Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask, which goes for $13 for a pack of 3 or 4. And Per the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette, which goes for $38. And then we have Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, which goes for $20 full size. And then last but not least is Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask, which goes for $16 full size. So let's look at the stuff that's in it. So here's the Kat Von D. And this is what this color looks like. Looks like. Also in it is the Superhero Mascara. And that is what this looks like. Okay. Let's look at the Per Midnight Masquerade face palette. Okay. So it looks like it has blushes in it as well as eyeshadow. Okay. That's what it looks like. So let's watch one of these. Let's go with the silver one, which is called Exposed. Did I just dig my nails into that? Yep, I did it twice. So let's just watch the gold one first then. That is what it looks like. So let's watch the silver one called Exposed. Very pigmented. These colors feel like silk. So these are the masks, the Wonder Beauty mask, baggage claim, and came with a pack of 3. So the backside test shows you what it looks like. I look forward to using those. Anything to make the eyes look fresh and still brand new. And this is the Don't Despair Repair. That's what that looks like. So that looks to be a very good Boxy Charm box. So let's go with the GlossyBox. They also sent a $100 wine voucher in the box, which I never use. don't know how many people actually use that, because I don't drink, so I don't use it. So let's look what's coming in this month's box. And this is the rundown of what's in there. We had a Tuka candle, the Nails Ink nail polish, the Tree Hut skincare, the Georgette Killner Rose Clarifying Toner, and Supreme Revitalizing Mask, and for Invisible Bubble Scrunchie. Alrighty then. Gave it a fancy name. Let's see how fancy it really is. So here's the scrunchie for your hair. Leopard print, that's cute. How can you go wrong with leopard print? It goes with just about anything. I can feel the scrunchie in there. I mean the plastic thing that's in there. Alright, look forward to using that as well. So here's the candle. This whole box is smelling good, so I'm gonna think it's the candle that's got this box smelling as beautiful as it does. So here's the candle. Yep, the candle, it smells delicious. It smells like kind of like mango with bananas. It smells really good. So here's the nail polish that comes in the box for this one, which I can't seem to get. Okay, here we go. And this is the color that comes in there. So I'll just dabble it on my nails. So that's what it looks like. A beautiful color, like almost like a nude peach. Okay, moving on. As soon as I get this tightened on there, there we go. Here's the Rose Clarifying Toner for cleaning your face. Let's see what this one's like. This smells good as well. Or maybe I'm still smelling the candle. Alright, so here's the Hydrating Overnight Mask. Let's open this. Oh, it's got a seal over it. Alright, well, I won't be using that today. And this too is having a hard time. There we go. Alright, last but not least is the Passion for Life Hydrating Ritual, which is a mask. Let's see the directions for this. After cleansing with replenish hair cleanser, apply a quarter-size amount of product to wet hair. So this is for the hair. So let's see if it's the leave-in for maximum strength, working from mid-shaft to end for maximum results. Leaving. So this is the rinse cleanser. I mean, mask for the hair. All right, so let's do Ipsy, as you know from the famous pink. So this what this box, this bag looks like is a red masquerade mask makeup bag, which I think will make a cute clutch. So in here they gave us the Miss Glam's makeup brush. See if I can open this. There we go. I got some strength in these fingers, which is really unusual because most of the time I'm in pain from my fibromyalgia. But I'm doing really good lately with the pain doctors that I see. So I finally got me a Miss A Glam makeup brush. Hopefully in time I'll be able to get her full set. They're kind of expensive. So also included in this box was the Pixie by Petra. And this is just too cute to even use. And it's so small and so cute. Let's get this open so I can swatch the colors. Okay. I don't know if I can ever get into it. Alright, this is taking too long. I'm probably gonna have to just pass it up. Wait, I finally getting it. I finally got it. Okay. Just swatch the colors. That's very pigment. Swatch the next one. Yeah, these are very pigmented. As you can see here. Alright. So the next thing is, it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. It's a peel off mask. Now I can do this. The black peel off mask. I'm gonna try this tonight. Hopefully I don't break out because I got sensitive skin. So moving on. Alright, the next thing is these Glamour Dolls. I do believe this is a mascara. Yeah, it's a mascara. Not gonna open it. I got too many open mascaras laying around as it is. So we got a MAC here. Let's see what this looks like. I do believe this to be lips gloss. Exactly what it is. Even though I'm having a hard time getting into it. Yeah, I'm having the darndest time getting into it. Okay, take my scissors. So this is what was in it. MAC lipstick, which I'm hoping I can rock this color. So let's show you guys what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. Alright, well, that was my makeup subscription boxes and bag for the month of October. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, and also please do subscribe. I need the subscription so I can bump up with YouTube. I'm mixing them up. So other than that, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depends on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.